This is the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro, the brand's latest rugged smartphone. It is packed with several interesting features. Let's check its specs to see if it's worth it. Starting with the design, this is a rugged phone with a thickness of 21.2 millimeters and a weight of 509 grams, which is normal for this category. It also features IP68 and IP69K certifications, ensuring full protection against dust and water, capable of withstanding submersion for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1.5 meters. The body is reinforced with MILSTD 810H military certification. For the display, we have a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus IPS panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, making navigation smoother and improving the gaming experience. The brightness reaches 700 nits, which is excellent for daily use. A standout feature is the 3.4-inch square secondary screen on the back, which serves multiple purposes. This IPS LCD has a resolution of 412 by 960 pixels, a peak brightness of 600 nits, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. It is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for enhanced durability and scratch resistance. This rear display allows users to check notifications, calls, and messages without unlocking the device, making essential information more accessible. Additionally, it enables multimedia control, allowing users to pause, play, or skip tracks while listening to music or watching videos. Another notable feature is the flexibility in display modes. You can use only the main screen, only the rear screen, or even mirror content on both, switching between them for interaction. Furthermore, it acts as a quick-access camera viewfinder, making it easier to capture photos without navigating through menus. This rear screen adds convenience and versatility, enhancing the overall user experience. Under the hood, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X processor, built on a 4nm process, with 8 cores running at up to 2.5 GHz. The GPU is an ARM Mali G615MC2 clocked at 1100 MHz, working alongside 16 GB of RAM, which can be virtually expanded by another 16 GB. Storage is 512 GB, and if that's not enough, it supports microSD cards of up to 2 TB. For cameras, we have a 50-megapixel Omnivision main sensor for everyday photos. As expected, there's also a 64-megapixel night vision camera with Night Elf 3.0 technology, allowing photography even in total darkness. Completing the setup, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 117.3-degree field of view. For selfies, there's a 32-megapixel front camera that does the job well. In terms of battery, the Armor 30 Pro comes with an impressive 12,800 mAh capacity, capable of lasting several days on a single charge. And when it does run out, the 66-watt fast charging will get you back up quickly. It can also function as a power bank to charge other devices. For connectivity, we have 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS with support for multiple navigation systems. The Armor 30 Pro runs Android 14 out of the box, features a fast side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and has NFC for contactless payments. Some additional noteworthy features include OTG support for charging other devices, a U-Smart connector for external accessories, and a graphene iceberg cooling system with a 7,701 square millimeter heat dissipation area. The weight might be a bit higher than what you're used to, but that's the price of extra durability. The processor is well balanced and the cameras make up for any limitations. If you work in construction, the military, engage in extreme sports, or just want a smartphone that can handle drops in water without worry, the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro offers a solid set of features to consider, especially with its massive battery, which is common in rugged phones. The best part is that it doesn't require a huge investment. It costs just around $380. Link in the description. So, what do you think of the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, be sure to join our exclusive X-Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There, you'll find amazing deals, incredible coupons, and protection from scams. All links are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks, and see you next time.